Have you ever seen a presidential debate turn into a golf debate? Well, that's exactly what happened in the 2024 presidential debate, and it ignited a new niche/t-shirt designs. At one point, the presidential debate took an unexpected turn and turned into a golf debate. During this exchange, Joe Biden made a surprising statement to Donald Trump saying, "I have a 6 handicap," referring to his golf game.
I got my handicap, which when I was vice president, down to a 6. But by the way,
this turn of events, among other things, caught everyone's attention, from golf pros to casual fans and political enthusiasts alike. After watching the debate, I came across numerous articles and social media posts talking about this 6 handicap moment. It wasn't long before the internet was buzzing with memes, jokes, and t-shirt designs. If we search the phrase 6 handicap golf or I have a 6 handicap, we see that it has relatively low competition with some consistently selling designs. What makes this niche great is that you can make designs that avoid anything about politics and avoid using any of the president's names in your keywords and designs. This will ensure you keep your account safe in a time when certain designs don't seem to be allowed for political reasons. So whether you're a golf enthusiast, a political junkie, or just love a good laugh, these 6 handicap t-shirts could be an idea for you to sell. Thank you for watching.